Trees, plants, all this nature is part of us. Rather, we are part of them. We cannot exclude them. Bring in more and more into your life and see how life changes. We have invaded nature and we try to all our best to win over the nature, but you can never do that. See, moment you annihilate nature, that means you are trying to cut your own legs. We have a partnership, we have a symbiotic relationship with trees, plants. They take carbon dioxide that we exhale and they give us back oxygen in return. It's a great partnership. They provide so many herbs, medicinal quality of stuff that can help us improve our health. They provide us nutrition also. And likewise, I have learned that not only they provide such physical thing, but at times when you are meditating with the tree, they exchange their vibrations with us. Suppose you are not well, and you can try this. You pick any tree whose size is smaller than your back, and prayerfully request to a tree that, would you mind exchanging your vibrations with mine, your energy with my energy? Take what you like from my system and provide me health, your strength. And you just sit with closed eyes, with your back supporting the tree, only for 10 minutes, and see what happens to your health. I assure you, you'll change within 10 minutes, 80 to 90% of your health will improve in a very short time. Trees, plants, all this nature is part of us. Rather, we are part of them. We cannot exclude them. See? Bring in more and more into your life and see how life changes. We will go another, maybe for me, another 20 years, perhaps maybe 10 years, who knows, we don't know. But they will be there. Another 200 years, another 300 years, they will share the vibrations that I shared with them. What I shared with them, they will also be able to share my vibrations to my grandchildren, great-grandchildren, and so on. So they are actually a depositories of love. We can forget because we have a mind. We can spoil it with our mind, the love relationship that we have. Just like that, we are able to tell our friends, I don't like you. Dog will not say that because it doesn't have such an awakened mind to reject you. And trees, never ever. They don't have manas to fight. Whatever love you give, they retain it, even for 1,000 years. So they are the great repositories of great vibrations. Even bad vibrations they keep within themselves. But why not share with them love and good vibrations? So they can manage to share, store and share. So if you really want to give something beyond material thing, you are not going to see your great-great-great-great-grandchild. But you can pray to this tree that I am leaving my love for you to share with so-and-so. Please do it for me. They will do it. You can trust them. So to me, trees play a very huge role in human evolution.